fellow Zimbabweans, today we join the rest of the world in celebrating International Workers' Day. Since the days of the liberation struggle, organized labor has been a critical factor in shaping the destiny of our beloved country. Today, our nation thus looks back and forward at the role played by workers in the construction of this great country. More importantly, we use this occasion to galvanize the workers of Zimbabwe to greater unity towards the achievement of the great tasks set out in the National Development Strategy 1 and towards achieving Vision 2030. None but ourselves bear the burden to grow and prosper our motherland. We are our own keepers and the force for our development. As our country celebrates its 41st Independence Day anniversary, we must all acknowledge that Zimbabwe at 41 is much better than Zimbabwe at 37 before the Second Republic. The gloomy picture of 2017 has been replaced by a genuine sense of optimism. Optimism that conditions are now in place for our country to fulfill its potential and for our people to thrive. It is this message that we are taking to investors with the knowledge that their investments will expedite the process of bringing us even closer to fulfilling the dreams of our forefathers. This year's commemorations come at a time when the whole world and our country grapple with the distressing burden of the COVID-19 pandemic. In relative terms, we have done very well, although the war is not yet won. On behalf of government, and indeed on my own behalf, I want to salute and commend you, the workers, and your families for your resolve, dedication, determination, and commitment to duty and to your country during these unprecedented COVID-19 times. Your sacrifice and the continued endurance has kept the wheels of Zimbabwe's economy turning. The priority of government remains that of protecting and saving the lives of you, our workers, your families, and the population at large. As such, the National COVID-19 vaccination program has been rolled out to protect all our people against the deadly pandemic. I appeal to you all who are eligible to go out in your numbers and get vaccinated. As we do so, let us remain vigilant and alert to safeguard the gains achieved so far. We all remain obligated to wear masks, to observe social distance, to sanitize and to wash our hands with soap. No one is safe until everyone is safe. My fellow Zimbabweans, the implementation of our National Development Strategy 1 is on course, with the country now on the path to sustained socio-economic growth. This is anchored on increased production and productivity across all sectors of our economy. Already, we have begun to witness increases in industrial capacity utilization, with locally manufactured goods taking up a greater share of shelves in our supermarkets. We owe this remarkable growth to the dedicated, hard and honest work of all our workers across all sectors. I applaud all workers for growing and delivering food onto our tables, mining the minerals, increasing our exports to bring in the much needed foreign currency, and producing a wide array of goods and services for the sustainable socio-economic development of our mother country. Going forward, I urge all workers to scale up on production for exponential growth, enhance the national outputs, competitiveness, and overall economic prosperity, which leaves no one behind. My fellow Zimbabweans, macro, small, and medium enterprises have emerged as major employers and remain a vital cog in the economy. My government, therefore, made a deliberate decision to ensure that SMEs benefit from a dedicated SME foreign currency auction market. At the same time, innovation hubs and industrial parks within our universities and institutions of higher learning are developing modern innovations, technologies, and inventions to meet the current and future demands of our SMEs. I therefore exhort the SMEs sector to take full advantage of these developments. In the spirit of working together, my government remains committed to putting in place an enabling environment which protects the worker, provides decent work, and improves standards of living while allowing businesses to thrive. In line with the promotional framework for occupational safety and health convention, government, employers, and workers alike will continue to invest in occupational safety and health at the workplace. Over and above this, our laws encourage workers and employers to freely engage and associate. This is in line with the Second Republic's culture of dialogue and deepening the practice of participatory democracy, as well as good governance at the workplace. To this end, I also challenge employers and businesses to pursue more robust ways of addressing the welfare of our workers. As we industrialize and modernize the economy, workers must be treated fairly, while multi-skilling must be prioritized to meet new realities and demands in the world of work. Workers must shun and expose corruption, remain resilient, and uphold the values of integrity and hard, honest work to grow every facet of our economy. Building a corrupt-free and prosperous Zimbabwe is our responsibility together as a nation. Our country is on an irreversible path to socio-economic transformative growth and progress. Through unity, peace, love, harmony, and hard work, we will emerge stronger. With these remarks, I wish you all happy Workers' Day commemorations. God bless you all. God bless Zimbabwe. I thank you.